Hello everyone, this is Team Bugbusters. Myself Sanjay. Now I'm here to explain about a mini project on personal diary management system using C language in problem solving using computer program. Now I'm going to see the source code. In this demo of our project, in which I will be summarizing some major parts of our source code in our project and some of the basic user defined functions that we have included in the project. Then our first one is int password function. It contains, manages, and handles the password protection tasks. And second one, add record function. In add record function, it enables a user to add a new record in the diary. And in third one is view record function. It has name implies allows us to view the various records in the list added by the user. And the fourth one is edit record function. In edit record function, we can simplify and modify and update any record added previously by the user. And fifth one is edit password. It allows to modify the change and the password of our program. And the sixth one is delete record. In delete record function, meanwhile, it enables us to delete a record permanently from the system file. These are some of the user defined functions that emphasizes our program massively. Now proceeding towards the execution part of our program, we can simply execute this program. As you can see, this is the output of our program. As discussed and as further discussed, we have options like this. By entering the number of the choices, we can open the options. We have to give the data of the record and the time and the name. As we can give any name. The duration we can give 1 hour. Now I gave a note shows that your record is added. We have to add another record, press Y, otherwise press N. As we can see, we have to view record which was added with password, and we have to give the date of the record which was added. It asks like whole record of the day or record of the fixed time. It shows that this is the view menu of our record. If we have to edit records, press the choice. We can give the choice 3, password, as usual, the date of the record. It asks the what would you like to edit. We can give away the choices like I have to change duration of my record. So you can give the direction in old it gives 1 hour. Now we have to update the record like 2. Yes. The new record is it was edited. If suppose we have to delete a record, and take the choice for password. We can give the whole record. Again, we have to give the date of the record. Yes, it shows the delete successfully. our record was deleted. Suppose we have to edit a password. Now it shows the password. Enter the new password we can give. Given the again we have to confirm the password. As the password was changed. Now when you want to add a record, it asks the password which we have changed now. Now we are adding a record. It, because the record which was added was deleted now. Again we are adding the record. Like we can give an example. Yes, now your record the record which was typed was added. You want to view record. That's password. We have to give the new password which was changed. As a new record. It was added by now. Will be. As these are the some of the user defined functions. As this is a if you want to exit, press 6. It will be exited. Thank you for using the software and thank you for watching.